We are pleased to show you the 2018 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, heated rear seats, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, center armrest. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.